HubSpot sales without DoCurrencies, it's great for handling multi-currency business. You decide your company currency, plus any others you need for your deals. You edit each exchange rate relative to your company currency, using whatever rate you like, while taking care to choose the right one. But it's a manual process, and exchange rates go out of date fast, which means that your pipeline value in company currency is old, your deal value is old, your deal weighted value is old, and the rate locked in when a deal closes is simply wrong. So somebody must update your currencies with no mistakes, or add DoCurrencies to update all your exchange rates every day. In your HubSpot settings currency tab, all your rates are kept up to date, and in each rate's history, you can see DoCurrencies adjusting the rates every day. And when you add a new currency, such as a Danish kroner, the default rate is 1. So normally you go and find the current rate, such as a Google search, but now you go to your DoCurrency settings screen inside HubSpot, hit the button to update currencies now, and your currencies are up to date. Return to your HubSpot currency tab, every rate is now refreshed. Danish kroner has a valid exchange rate updated by DoCurrencies every day. So now your deal value and your pipeline in every deal stage, that's all correct every day. But it's important to know that DoCurrencies won't change your selling prices. Continue to update multi-currency prices in your product library just as you do now. DoCurrencies, it's currently in beta because HubSpot Currency API is under controlled release, but you can use it today by installing DoCurrencies. Your app icon is grey for up to 24 business hours while HubSpot upgrades your portal. And when the icon turns solid, click to install, no configuration required. DoCurrencies, it's available now, completely free, no payment method required. Sign up at HubDo Marketplace and install today.